To Jakarta.
Morning.
My name is Giselle, your tour guide from your travel agent partner here in Indonesia. I will accompany you during your 3-day stay in Jakarta. Now we can look at here. We have here Mr. Sam as our driver and Mr. Dan as assistant to driver. On the first day, after pickup service, we take you to have Jakarta Heritage Tour to beautiful mini Indonesia Park, with a visit at Minangis Traditional House from West Sumatra Pavilions, and then to Rajanis Traditional House from South Sulawesi Pavilions, and then Papua Traditional Hut from West Papua Pavilions, and also Bird Park. On the second day, we take you to have Jakarta sightseeing to Old and New Jakarta with photo stop at Independence Square, then a visit at Old Batavia City Hall Square, then check in to your hotel. And then on the third day, we drop you off the airport to take the flight to Yogyakarta. Well, ladies and gentlemen, do you have any question for our itinerary program? If there's nothing, ladies and gentlemen, following the safety standard procedure in our coach, we have the fire extinguisher and hammer by the window shop that you may use in case of emergency. For the first aid box is also available on the shelf above the front row seats and the back row seats. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to tighten your seatbelt during the trip. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just passed by Jakarta International Airport, namely Soekarno-Hatta or SHIA, that's located in Tangerang district of Banten. This terminal has 3 airports. The first is for the low-cost domestic flight, and the second terminal is for domestic and international flights, and then for the third is for domestic and international premium service flights. Ladies and gentlemen, do you have any question for the Jakarta International Airport for the terminals?
Enough.
It's enough? Okay. Let's restart next to the statue. Please take a look to your left. We have there the Indonesia First President Sukarno and First Vice President Hatta. 2 of them are declarers of Indonesia independence. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I will give you information. To go from the airport to the city, we take Sudirno Expressway and pass by Cengkareng Business and Commercial Center, Fish, Jakarta Inner Ring Road Expressway, and pass by Global University area with Sleepy Business area with the exit at Semanggi Gate. And then we take Jagorawi Expressway and with the exit at Pondok Gede Gate. So, for Jakarta City outskirts, we drive ahead to beautiful mini Indonesia Park. Well, ladies and gentlemen, for today, do you have any questions? No? And this is the picture of Indonesian currency. There is the biggest bill in Indonesia, that is 1,100 bills as the biggest bill, and then the smallest coin, that is 100. As you can see, this is the map of Indonesia, the world's largest archipelago country, comprising more than 17,000 islands with 5 major islands. As you can see in this map, we can see there are Java, Sumatra, Borneo, Sulawesi, and Papua. And then you can see in this map, we have there the small islands next to the part of eastern part of Java Islands. This is called Bali. In the world, with more than 275 million inhabitants. Okay, general information for the currency or for the map of Indonesia. Okay, it's enough, I think. Indonesian currency that has 1,000 as the smallest coin in paper currency. And there, in front of us, Minangkabau's traditional big house from West Sumatra Pavilion, namely Rumah Gadang or Bajonjong. Since, as you can see, the roof is buffalo head structure. And then, if you know, this house is made of palm posts, with the wall is made of palm timber, and the roof is made of palm fiber. As you can see, there are always two barns erected nearby the big house. The one is for the family, and the other is for the community. As you can see, in front of us, there is Parajani's traditional big house from South Sulawesi Pavilion, namely Tongkonan, with wood-shaped roof structure and buffalo horns as the decoration. And then, the house is built on palm log posts, with the wall is made of palm timber and the roof is made of palm leaf. There are always three barns erected nearby the big house. The one is for the family and two other is for the community and for the church. Both the house and the barns are painted in 6% before passing of complete funeral ceremony. Namely Garuda Pancasila. As you can see in my hand, this is the picture of Indonesian emblem. That means from Garuda is the golden eagle that serves as the Lord Vishnu, the protector vehicle in Indo-Japanese mythology. While the Pancasila is the 5 state principles as national ideology. If you can see, on each wing's Garuda, in this and this, is 17 feathers that symbolizing the day of Indonesia independence. And then, on Garuda tails, in this, that's 8 feathers that symbolizing the month of Indonesia independence. And then, as you can see in here, Garuda neck and Garuda legs has 19 and 45 flaps that symbolizing the year of Indonesia independence, popularly called as busway, passing by the special lane on the right fork of the avenue. To get Transjakarta service, the passengers should go to the shelter and pay their tab and go by Imani. Once you get on board, you are not allowed to speak loudly, to eat or drink, and always give the priority to pregnant lady, elderly person, and handicapped person. Well, ladies and gentlemen, next in my hand, we have here Mass Rapid Transit, or popularly called as MRT, passing by the underground terminal and pay truck tab and go by Imani for the service. And then, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have there the green jacket bike. So we don't say tuk-tuk again in this generation.
Last is tuk-tuk, that now bajai, right?
Yes, that's right, sir. Okay, it's enough.
Enough.
And the passing one and pay by negotiated price. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Uniform. Passing by sidewalk on the way to school or back home. They are senior high school student or vocational high school students who work every day from 7 until 14:30, except Saturday and Sunday. The senior high school student or vocational high school student is compulsory from 15 until 17 years old with free tuitions, especially the hotel. This is our hotel, namely Mercure Harmony, a 5-star accommodation that located in business as well as commercial district in central Jakarta. It's within walking distance to south, where we find Independence Square and Presidential Palace. And it's also within walking distance to east, where we find Pecenongan Culinary Evening Spot. And just across the street, where we find Gajah Mada Shopping Mall and Malioboro Night Spot. Do you have any question? Okay, I think it's enough. To the hotel. But before getting off the coach, please make sure you don't leave anything on your seat. And I hope you enjoy the program for today and see you tomorrow at 9 on Lobby Wata.
Okay.
Okay, before we get dressed, do you have any questions? Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please turn left to the hospitality lounge, where the special welcome drink is waited for you, that made of Indonesia herbs and tropical berries. And then the hotel attendant will come up with your key that you use and an access room floor, and then the other hotel facilities like gym or swimming pool. Now, I would like to insert the key with envelope showing your room numbers in 4 digits. The first 2 digits is your room floor. Okay. Good morning, dear ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing today? Are you okay for the next program? Okay. If you are ready for the next program, let's prepare. And you are still with me, Giselle, as your tour guide. And now I will accompany you during your from hotel to Jakarta. Thank you.